A young man has crashed his car and died after the city bridge collapsed. Someone needs to make a new bridge.
The first step of the process was figuring out our design for the bridge and what materials we would use. This included creating a mechanical drawing of multiple potential designs for the bridge and picking out the one that we decided would be the most efficient. For a long time, we weren't sure what to pick, but after a while, we decided on picking design 1.
Then came the preparing process. This was mostly some extra sketches and brainstorming that we could do to create our final design. One of the reasons we had to defer from many of the other designs was that they were far too small and we'd have to repeat them multiple times, giving us a lesser design which would be weaker and didn't give us proper representation of the price of the bridge. One of the best things about our final design was the amount of bracing that we put into it, and that really reassured us that the final design would hold up better compared to other designs.
The building process began by receiving our materials and working out any necessary changes or modifications. During the sketching phase, we figured out what we'd have to drill modifications into the wood to allow for proper mechanical fastening and for the bridge to come out the best way possible. We requested modified pieces to be made, gathered what we needed, and started construction. Assembling everything and securing it with our hardware was a breeze, thanks to our design being accurately sealed to ensure perfect fits.
One of the most engaging parts of the process was it being both a hands-on and collaborative assignment. Together, we were all given a role to share the workload between us and had to go through trial and error as a team to solve and analyze minor problems along the way. With the help of some prototypes that were built from lower grades, we got to visualize the strengths and weaknesses of their designs and compare the structural integrity to the builds of our own. Our design was intended to distribute the forces of a bridge equally between the straight and angled beams, which worked out to be successful. We considered this project to be the pinnacle of our shared capabilities, as it perfectly reflected the careful planning and utilization of the available resources given to us.